Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining the tactile base. Mix 1 cup clear glue and 1/2 cup instant pudding mix in a disposable bowl. Once done, add 2 tablespoons cornstarch to thicken and improve texture, because cornstarch absorbs moisture and gives firmness. Stir with a spatula until uniform. You want no dry streaks. Then, make sure to add color, 1 or 2 drops of food coloring, so the toy looks playful. Mix gently to avoid bubbles and prepare to adjust consistency next. Once the base is mixed, you need to refine the texture by kneading. Knead for about 3 to 5 minutes, folding the mass and adding cornstarch 1 tablespoon at a time until it stops sticking. This controls tackiness while preserving stretch. If it feels too firm, a tiny bit of saline, 1 teaspoon, can soften it, but use sparingly. Then, press the dough into your silicone mold, smoothing the top and tapping to remove trapped air. This step ensures a clean final toy. You finish by allowing the molded toy to cure for 12 to 24 hours. Covering it loosely keeps dust off while permitting slight evaporation. Once cured, demold carefully. Silicone molds release easily when you flex them, and trim any flash with scissors for a neat edge. If the toy remains tacky, make sure to let it rest longer. Otherwise, dust lightly with cornstarch and knead to redistribute. Remember, if it becomes too dry, a tiny amount of glycerin or saline will restore softness without ruining structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.